Home. It's more than walls. It's more than windows. It's the place you should feel safe, secure. But not all homes are built to withstand nature's fury. Flash, the Federal Alliance for Safe Homes and their partners, want to change that.
The Strong Homes Initiative is centered around a vision, and we call it the dream. The dream is that everyone deserves a home that's durable, resilient, energy efficient, affordable, and modern as well. What we've set about to do is to work with other nonprofit organizations and builders to show that we can upgrade to resist anything that's out there that Mother Nature brings, and we can do it affordably.
Michael came in with 155-mile-an-hour winds.
This is a dangerous hurricane. Dangerous hurricane.
The lasting effects of 2018's Hurricane Michael can still be seen. The Category 5 storm caused an estimated $25.1 billion in damages. The only thing not damaged on Becky Nixon's property, a wood carving of an eagle, a reminder of her mother.
It's still sitting in the same spot as the day the hurricane came through. It did not move, not 1 inch. It really meant something to me that it was saved.
What couldn't be saved? Her home. For nearly a year, she slept here within the damaged building.
I got where I was sick all the time. So it come to find out there was black mold in every wall in the house. The house was pouring, the sheetrock was coming apart.
To get our vision for the Strong Homes Initiative and our vision of having that dream come true, we immediately connected with our Flash partners and developed an array of very generous donors and sponsors to provide the services necessary, as well as the products and materials to get those upgrades in place.
When Flash reached out to us about this initiative, immediately I said yes. As Mennonite Disaster Service and our volunteers build back after a storm, we have to use more and more resilient construction techniques and methods and materials. Why try to save a few dollars when putting that homeowner back into the same situation? We're not doing them a favor. I hope it becomes an industry standard. It makes sense.
The building code is minimum requirements for life safety. Fortified goes beyond that to strengthen weak links in a building and prevent avoidable loss.
It's based on a lot of science and research looking at post-disaster storm damage on regular homes all around the country and the world. If you lose your housing, if your people have nowhere to stay, the whole community suffers economically.
Volunteer builders got Miss Nixon back into a home using beyond the code materials and techniques.
They began to have materials delivered and I seen what they were bringing. I was like, this is not going to be a normal house, and it's not. From the complete ground up of this house, the way that it's built, it's not going nowhere. It's never going to go anywhere. They overly and abundantly build with materials that are built to last.
It's the beyond the code design and materials that make this a strong home.
Many of the things that we use to build homes now are the same they've been for close to 100 years. It's still wood, it's still nails, bolts, and screws. But a lot has changed. There's many more features to housing, the size of the houses are changing, the different technologies that are being used, and so it's very important that the contractors, the builders, the framers, that they understand all of the technology and how to properly install structural connectors, for an example, to make sure the home is built resilient and has a continuous load path.
It gives us a great deal of satisfaction to just be a part of this project. From the guys that made these shutters in our plant to these volunteers that are installing them, I'm just proud to be a part of it.
The cost to build this home? Not much more than standard construction, but Miss Nixon sees the savings in her insurance and energy bills each month, while volunteer organizations benefit by building it right the first time.
To be able to set folks up and to where they don't have to worry about their home being destroyed in a storm, it just makes good business sense. If we can put a little bit more into what we're doing to know that we won't have to do this again for this person in the next storm, I mean, it's better for them, it's better for us, it's better spending of the funding dollars.
First and foremost, what we've learned and concluded is this is a worthwhile endeavor. So we're moving from pilot to permanent. And we are looking to expand the partnership and sponsorship base so that in each and every post-disaster recovery, we can immediately say, we're going to do this many upgrades, and here's how you can help us. So we're looking for new donors, new partners, new services, new experts, and anybody who want to be part of something that ensures that we build it back better.
Being able to be at peace in your own home is such a powerful thing. We all need a place where we can feel safe. These strong homes absolutely make clients feel safe when they're in them, and it's just a powerful thing. It really is.
So this is all stuff that's inside the house, but you were here as it was being built, and so you got to see the progress every single day.
There's hurricane clips in every 2x up there. Even under the porch is 2x12s and 2x10s under there. And as you can tell, it's not going anywhere.
It's solid.
It's solid. It's not going anywhere. To be able to live in a home that was built like they build, man, I'm blessed. I'm blessed. And I really sincerely pray that this really takes off here in this area because it's so needed. It is so needed. I don't know that you will ever realize how much you touch people, what you do for people. The hope that you give them, you're giving somebody hope.
The Flash Partnership believes that everyone deserves a dream home that's durable, resilient, energy efficient, affordable, and modern too. This dream can be realized. We're doing it today, and with your help, we can continue to do it tomorrow.